ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यकर्मावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै.
Kapalbhati. Comfortably with your spine erect. Place your hands on the knees with the palm open to the sky. Take a deep breath in. This pranayama increases the metabolic rate and aids in weight loss and increase blood circulation in your body. Brahmari Pranayama. Close your eyes with the thumb. Place your first finger at your head and cover your closed eyes with the rest 3 fingers. Now breathe in slowly and then breathe out, chanting Om Pavitraya. Do it for 3-5 times. This pranayama reduces the stress, anger, and frustration. Pavan Mukt Asana. First step, exhale and while inhaling slowly rise the legs to a 90 degrees angle from the floor. Bend both the legs at knees and rest the thigh against the abdomen, keeping the knees and ankles together. Encircle the knees with both arms, hands clasping opposite elbows. Bend the neck and place the chin on the knees. Continue to maintain the asana, breathing normally. This asana helps to improve digestive system and relieves constipation. Vakrasana. Sit with your legs stretched out in front of you. Keep your hands parallel to hips or thigh with palm resting on the floor. Bend your left knee at 90 degrees with knees pointing towards the sky. Placing the left foot near your right knees, bring your right hand forward. Place it on the outer side of your folded left knees while twisting your waist. Note that your right elbow should be touched the left knee. Now hold your left ankle with your right hand. Turn your hand to your left and place your left hand flat on the floor just behind the hip. Hold these positions for a count of 30 and breathe normally. Salabhasana. Lie on your belly with your arms along the sides of your torso, palms up, forehead resting on the floor. Turn your big toes toward each other. Inwardly rotate your thighs and form your buttocks so your causes pressures toward your pelvis. Exhale and lift your head, upper torso, arms and legs away from the floor. Presented by 5 Maharashtra Police Battalion, MD Shah Mahila College, NCC Department, Mumbai A Group, ANO Captain Nazia Syed and I Sergeant Preeti Prajapati. Thank you for watching the video. Try this easy yoga in this quarantine.